Want to control your spending or set boundaries for an authorized user? You can manage spending limits directly in the SoFi app. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. For the SoFi credit card, navigate to the card settings in the app. Look for Manage Card or Controls. Here, you may find options to set alerts for when spending reaches a certain amount. For the SoFi debit card, part of checking and savings, you can turn the card on or off instantly in the app for security, but detailed merchant-type spending limits are less common than with some traditional banks. My crucial pro tip: use vaults for proactive spending control. For budgeting, a powerful SoFi feature is Vaults. When you get paid, immediately transfer your savings or bills money into separate vaults. Since money in vaults is separated from your spendable balance, you naturally limit what's available to spend on everyday items. Build smart financial habits with the tools you already have. What's your favorite method for sticking to a spending plan? For more guides on budgeting and control, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.